Hello, welcome to another video on Garvit's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make mamo, aka dumplings. What you need for that is chicken thighs, onions, and ginger. So I use chicken thighs because it's more juicier. However, I have to grind them up first, and for onions I also have to cut them. So I'll be back soon. Here we have chicken and onion mix, and soon I'll put in the ginger, the grinded ginger, half butter, salt and pepper. Alright. I'm gonna now put in the grated ginger into the mix, chicken and onion mix. And then I'm also gonna put the butter into the mix, the muscle butter. After you do that, I then added salt and pepper. For pepper, you want to use half teaspoon, and the salt can vary depending on your tasting. You can also use chicken bouillon, and if we use this, make sure to decrease the amount of salt as it already has salt included. For today, I'm not using it as I've already put in the salt, and now I'm gonna start mixing the thing. So this is the filling for the mamo, and I'll let it marinate for an hour. But after that, I'll then wrap it with the wrappings. So the wrap, you can get these at any Asian store. For this, I'm using Shanghai style because that's what I like. After leaving stuffing out for an hour to marinate, it's time to pack it. For that, you need a mamo steamer, oil to grease the pan. Now I'm going to grease the steamer. There are many ways to pack a mamo. These are like the two most common ways. There are a lot of more ways to make a round shape mamo. You grab a wrapper. Now you gotta water the sides like this, like so. And after that, grab some filling. You don't need a lot. Come on, and now just pinch the middle. Simple. So once the steamer is fully done, then I'll steam it. After 15 to 20 minutes of steaming, your mamo should look like this. Look at that. So tasty, so juicy.